Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
Hello guys, I have not talked to you yet today. I got up this morning and edited my video and finished all that stuff, and then we ate breakfast and I just uploaded it. And yeah, so that's all done for today. That was like the only thing I really had to get done today, other than vlogging of course. But Paisley and I are just chilling right here. She is so snuggly today and she will not leave my side. It's the cutest thing ever. But yeah, so I am going to be having a very relaxing and festive day today. As you can see, we have the Christmas tree in the background. I'm at home, by the way, if you guys missed my last video. But I think what I'm gonna do today is, first of all, unpack and get all that mess situated, because there's a big mess in the dining room right now with all of my stuff. And then I'm also going to wrap presents. Other than that, I don't know what else is going on. I don't know if we have like plans to do anything or anything like that. So I don't know, we're just gonna kind of have a chill day and get organized and all that stuff. If you guys aren't subscribed already, make sure you do that. Subscribe to my channel and follow me on all my social media. And yeah. So I just got ready really quickly. I threw on some makeup and put some leggings on. And yes, I wore this yesterday, but I'm gonna wear it again because it's comfy and I want to. There, end of story. Honestly, at this point, who cares? Because I don't. Okay, so now we are going to attempt to tackle this whole mess. Yeah, this was all the stuff I brought home. I know, extremely excessive, but some of it is staying here. So I need to go through everything and figure out what is staying here and what isn't. So yeah, I'm gonna work on that. I know, it's a lot. We are making progress, but I'm definitely a little overwhelmed. The lighting everywhere in the house is literally so bad, and it's just really dark outside, so makes it even worse. And I know I'm gonna be super annoyed by it when I start editing this video, but I was starting to get a little overwhelmed and I literally just didn't know where to start and how to organize everything. So I am in my room now. I brought up like half of the stuff and I'm just gonna go through this chunk of stuff. We'll see where that gets me. Like that lighting is fine, but like that's bad. It's so just shadowy and I know it's just gonna really bother me when I edit this video. It's okay, I'll deal with it. It's just not as aesthetic. It's not as aesthetically pleasing as when it's like sunny and my room is all nice and bright. It's fine though, it's fine, it's fine. Me trying to convince myself that it's fine when it's really not fine. all the stuff that I brought up is pretty much put away. Also, my hair looks disgusting, but it was just getting in my way. I don't know. Anyways, stuff that I brought up is pretty much all put away, so I have like the other half downstairs still. The progress has been good, but I am just like itching to get rid of like everything I own. I have way too much stuff. Like, this is embarrassing. Like, this is not okay. I have like clutter. I feel like I'm a hoarder after just doing that. And just like looking at my closet alone, like I honestly like feel like I'm a hoarder. Like, I feel like I hoard stuff, and I need to not do that. And I cleaned out my closet during quarantine, but it doesn't feel like I cleaned anything out. Like, it feels like it's all the same. Like, it's just cluttered, and there's stuff that I don't wear, and there's random like bags and stuff that I'm still keeping for no reason. So yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll make that into a project or something, but I'm not kidding. Like, I want to get rid of like everything I own and just become a minimalist. Like, going through all of that stuff was just so much. It was kind of overwhelming, I'm not gonna lie, and I really just hate myself for how much stuff I own, because that's just crazy. That's insane. Like, there's no reason for that. Hello. So I brought Gerald home, my beautiful ivy plant, and he's not looking too well. I don't know what happened. He's not looking too hot right now. Okay, so I'm back in my room, and I have 2 more boxes to go through. I think most of the stuff is pretty much going in the basement, but I don't know for sure. So I'm gonna go through these boxes and then call it a day for organizing and unpacking and all of that. And then I'm gonna start wrapping presents, and I'm so excited. I love wrapping presents, so that'll be super fun. I think I have pretty much everyone's gifts here, and I actually don't know if I'm gonna show you guys what they are or like talk about them, just in case someone I bought a gift for is actually watching this. So yeah, let's get back to organizing. I don't know why I'm so exhausted today. It's just so dark outside and the house is so dark, so it makes me sleepy and it makes me like lazy and unproductive. But we're gonna keep organizing, get this stuff done. Say this is good enough for my room being organized. Still kind of cluttered, but it's okay. Everything is pretty decently put away, kind of. It's good enough for now. Okay, I got everything that I need to wrap all of my presents, and my mom made the cutest gift tags that I'm also going to use. Pull tag, these cute ones, some with foil on them, a bunch of cute mittens, and just a bunch of cute tags. So I'm gonna use some of these too. And there's ribbon. I think this is the wrapping paper I'm gonna use because, I don't know, I just like the brown paper vibe of it. The lighting in here is super weird, sorry, but if I know you in real life, stop watching this video because you might see your present in this, and you can't see your present before Christmas. That's against the law. That ruins the surprise. So click out of this video right now if you think I would be getting you a present. Because I don't want the surprise to be ruined, but I'm vlogging, so I have to vlog what I'm doing today. And today I'm wrapping presents. So yeah, seriously, click out of the video if you think I would get you a present, because chances are I probably did get you a present. Okay, I think this lighting is a lot better. It looks like it. I'm gonna check it. I was right, this lighting is a lot better. It's kind of dark in real life, but you know, the lighting's gotta be good for the videos.
Christmas tree, oh, Christmas tree. Been wondering just what you mean to me. Oh, Christmas tree. Honestly, it's never been much about you. Don't get me wrong, I think you're great. Root of tradition we celebrate. But oh, Christmas tree, more than anything, it's all the people around you. here, my cousins too. My brothers flew in this afternoon. We're catching up. Oh, what a year. Oh, Christmas tree, I nearly missed you there. Don't get me wrong, you're a sight to see, with all faded photos of family. But oh, Christmas tree, no, you don't mean a thing without the joy that surrounds you.
Okay, here are all the presents I wrapped, and I'm gonna stick them under the tree for now. Okay, here's the tree. I have no idea what that giant present is, but there are some presents under here. So cute. But yeah, I'm excited to see what that is because I literally have no clue. And this one is really, really big too. So we'll see. Hello, Miss Sleepyhead. What are you doing all by yourself in here? This doggo put herself here. She jumped up on the couch and crawled into the blankets all by herself. I did cover her up, but she came out here all by herself. Okay, so I haven't vlogged in a while, but I am planning my week right now, which you guys can't even see that. Can you see that? There we go. So this upcoming week is the last week of Vlogmas, and I'm more excited than you guys could ever guess. Vlogmas has been rough, not gonna lie. I hate uploading every single day. It's like the worst thing ever. It stresses me out so much, but you guys, we're almost done, and we're gonna finish it out strong, and I'm actually gonna be successful and actually do it. So I am just going through and updating my monthly calendar, and then going and planning stuff for this upcoming week. So yeah, that's what I'm working on right now. Honestly, probably won't vlog a lot for the rest of the night because I'm just gonna be relaxing, hanging out with my fam, chilling out a little bit, and all that fun stuff. But tomorrow will be a fun vlog, and yeah, so that'll be fun, but more of a chill day in my life for sure. But yeah, that's the update right now. I am so excited to be done with Vlogmas so I can get everything organized. I kind of wanted to not rebrand my channel, but just like update it for 2021 and get some stuff organized for my videos, like my intro, make all of that stuff, and clean out my laptop and all of that because that's just also a mess. My PicMonkey account is all over the place, very disorganized. I wanted to clean that out too. Just kind of organize all of my tech stuff and my external hard drive, all of that, kind of get in a better system type of thing for my videos so I can stay more organized than I am right now because it's just a lot right now. With uploading every single day, like it's impossible to like put in the extra time to stay organized. But I also have Miss Paisley here. She has just been hanging out with me. She's clearly very tired. Hi there. It's been a while since I've chatted with you guys. Not much has happened since I talked to you guys last. We were on FaceTime with my sister and her boyfriend for a few hours and chatted with them, but yeah, not much has happened since the last time I vlogged, so not much to update you guys on. But I am going to end the vlog right here because I need to edit this so it can go up tomorrow, because tomorrow I have a really busy day. So that's gonna be it for today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on all my social media. The links are in the down bar below. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.